Hey everyone! We've just rolled out a new update for our free Fantastitch cross-stitch app, and I want to show you how to update it and what's new. To update, just go to the App Store if you're on Apple, or Google Play if you're on Android. I've got an Apple device, so I'll go here and type in Fantastitch. Right away, it shows that an update is available. I tap Update, and once it's done, I tap Open and the app launches. Now, let me show you what's new using this design as an example. The first thing you'll notice is that the canvas for the chart is bigger now. It basically fills the whole screen, which is super convenient. We also added a horizontal mode, so you can rotate your tablet and the app rotates with it on any device. Just like before, if you want to mark something as stitched, you grab the marker. You can mark without selecting a specific color, or you can choose a color, like this one here, and then your markings will only apply within that color section. To erase something, just switch to the eraser. If you want to pick another color, just close the current one and tap on a different color. What else is new? As before, you can see the color you're stitching with. For example, I'm using DMC 3689. It shows the number of threads needed for this color. Now we've also added a counter for the number of stitches left for that color. So if I start marking stitches, the number goes down. Right now, I have 294 stitches left, then 293, 292 out of 323. You can also open this hint panel and see a progress bar showing how much you've stitched and how much is left. There's a new menu in the top left corner that keeps all the functions we had before. You can open the key to see all the threads used in the design and filter elements. For example, I can filter only full stitches, or now only half stitches, back stitches, or French knots. Oh, no knots in this design. If I select a color here, it highlights that color on my pattern, like this green one, and I can continue stitching with it. Here's a good example. If I'm stitching green, using a green marker, and the highlight is green too, it can get confusing because I can't tell what's already stitched and what's just highlighted. So now, for convenience, you can change the highlight and marking colors. Tap Color, and here's the color I'm using to mark stitches I've already stitched. My highlight is off, but let's fix that. I'll mark with purple and highlight with yellow. Now I can see the selected color highlighted in yellow and mark stitches in purple. If I don't like it, I can pick less bright colors, like gray and blue. In the menu, we also have layers. You can turn certain elements on or off, making the pattern fully interactive. For example, I made the decoration layer semi-transparent, or I can completely turn off the backstitches layer if it's in the way. When a layer is off, you'll see an indicator. You can turn it back on anytime, backstitches appear again, semi-transparent or fully visible. You can do the same with the stitches layer when doing backstitching. I can make the stitches layer semi-transparent, or turn off marking so it doesn't get in the way. There are also counters, grid lines, guides, rulers, and a center marker. You can enter parking mode and turn on the navigator, so you can see exactly which part of the design you're on. You can also toggle symbols for your stitches. We've added undo and redo. For example, if you mark the wrong area by mistake, tap to undo your last action. To redo, long press and tap redo. I've already shown the statistics in another video, nothing changed there, it's still really handy. Right now, more than 100 designers and kit makers are collaborating with Fantastitch. I'll leave the full list under this video, you can check out their pages and buy charts. Just mention you want the Fantastitch format. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.